Why does your scanner show the P226B engine code? What does it mean? P226B is a diagnostic trouble code for turbocharger or supercharger, boost pressure too high, mechanical. The P226B engine code for indicate your vehicle's engine computer, PCM or ECM, has detected that the forced induction system is producing or registering more boost pressure than the manufacturer's safe mechanical limits allow. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: stuck or binding wastegate, malfunctioning turbo actuator, blocked or leaking vacuum or boost lines, incorrect ECU aftermarket tuning, faulty MAP sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Ford, Subaru, Volkswagen, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.